I usually use a little bigger plane, but this is not a very big model. Make sure you always check that you don't go below the line from the template. I'm very close on the stern. Well, this is a number 2 plane. It's a collectible plane. Very hard to find one new. I mean, a old one, expensive. But in Woodcraft Supply catalog, they sell number 2s. They sell number 1s. These would be, this number 1 would be thousands of dollars if it was original. And then a number 3 plane, if I only was going to buy one plane, I would have a number 3 Stanley. I like Stanleys. And the spoke shave, this is an old one. This is a Stanley. I think it's a thought it was a number 51, but I'm not sure. I can't read the number. I had to paint it last year because it got rusted up, so I probably lost the number. But you can find these in the catalog. Stanley, number 51. I think it's a 51, but it's definitely a Stanley. And I'm making a little block here so I can put it in the vise. on when I'm working on the deck, painting or whatever I'm gonna do, I'll change this up. I'll put a little piece of plywood on the same way so I can have it in the vise working up, not with this block on.
Yeah, switch it out.
This is a scrub plane. It takes off a lot of wood fast. It's kind of a small model, but I'm just going to do a little bit with it. This is the template I'm putting on. The little mark on the template has to line up with the water line. On this model, that's the lower line. If you're using a dark glue, then you don't have this. Now I try to get the same space here as down here, roughly. Then I just put a little mark. Get the same space here as down here, roughly. You just have to keep putting the templates back and taking a little at a time. Make sure you line up this line and the line down here in the bottom as best you can. You can use a little block plane too, they're nice. when you're down very close, sometimes you're better off just taking a nice sanding block with some coarse paper like 80 and taking the high spots off like that. All right, that's all for carving. The rest I'm going to do with a block at some point. Probably with some 80 grit.